Good afternoon and welcome to the final Ofala of our Pater's Familia, Eze V.B.C, His Royal Majesty V.B.C, Eze Onyema 3 of Obibele. We are welcoming guests from far and wide to this final Ofala. We have traditional rulers, we have governors visiting, we have dear friends visiting from the United States, and we hope everybody will enjoy themselves peacefully today and have a wonderful life Ofala. I myself am Prince Dominic Chukwemeka Valentine Onyema, second son to Igbo. So it's a great pleasure to say welcome to the final Ofala.
My name is Janet Lorraine, and my family and I traveled here from New Jersey in the United States. And it's our real pleasure and honor and privilege for us to be here with the family to celebrate the Ofala of His Royal Highness. And we consider the Onyema family our family. We have a very close relationship with Dominic and Oscar and the rest of the family.
My name is Eze Onyema. I'm the wife of Eze Onyema, the daughter-in-law of Igwe Onyema, Mili Mileni, Anyenumalanya Nola, Abogidi. We're here to celebrate you, to wish you all the best, to thank you for everything you've done for the family. It is an honor to be your daughter-in-law. It is an honor to be the mother of Okamadu and Adoche. Know that we love you and will always have you in our hearts. And I'm happy to be here. We came all the way from New York, and I'm happy to be part of all the events and celebrations. Okay, you're welcome.
Hello, my name is Adoche Onyema. I am 10 years old, almost 11, actually in a few days. And I live in New York, and my grandfather is His Royal Majesty Eze V.B.C Onyema III. So I feel very sad that my grandfather is gone, but the kind of person he was extraordinary. He was a caring person. He was like the kind of person that put others first instead of himself, and that's what makes him very extraordinary. Also, he's extraordinary because he always helped other people, and people respected him for that. So Nigeria is a good country. I love it, the heat especially. But I also love that the people here are super nice. They're some of the kindest people I've ever met. And I hope I meet more people like that as well.
My name is Okamadu. I'm 9 years old. I'm the grandson of Igwe Onyema and the son of my dad, Dominic Onyema. I really like being in Nigeria. It's really fun, and I've had a lot of new experiences. And I did traditions and played with my other cousins. And like, there's a ceremony thing, and it was like filled with a lot of old people. It's really cool because everyone wanted me to meet them. And then I got this title, and I got to sit with all of the elders. It was really nice. So, like, Igwe wasn't a very extraordinary person. He's not the typical guy. He always puts other people before him. And yeah, that's all I wanted to say. I'll see you.
My name is Eze V.B.C Onyema, MNI. I'm the first in-law, as in my husband is the oldest son, Kenneth Okulili Onyema. I'm married to Kenneth Onyema about 24 years ago, and today is the Ofala of my father-in-law. I'm a princess of the Shekiri Kingdom. I hail from Warri, Delta State. I was so excited when they came to Sapele to marry me into this family at Oguipele. I'm very happy to be the royalty, that my royalty lineage continued. And I'm so glad when I was first introduced to Igwe Ogidiga and the wife Odobo. I was thinking, because my husband was the senior son, it would have been like a resentment. But I saw that I was welcomed to the family. I'm very happy, and I'm very proud of Igwe Ogidiga. He has been a very disciplined man. He was a very disciplined man. He was a very strong man. He was a professional like myself. I am the managing director of Every Nigeria Limited, and I have 4 children. They are all abroad, and I'm happy to be here, even though my children, they are not here with me, but we are all together. They send their greetings to see that everything today is a perfect success. I would pray that now that we have come to do the last Ofala of Igwe, celebration will not stop in this family. We'll continue to celebrate his life.
No one can cause you. Ekwensu na-eme na nkịtị. Onye ji mere zaburu goganyo. Unu ahụkwala ka Chineke si wee palie melu. Prepare a table before my enemies. From nobody to somebody, Chukwu nara ekene. The things you've done for me, I know if shout to I know if talk, if they post my friends, una fugo love. butter my bread, you sugar my tea, Simnara Mandua. Tell me, Baba God to carry blessings, give me make I jealous. Say mu boy enjoy, family man la kubalido. Oye na ya bweze, kweze o. Agame bura nenu ye bura, ay. Agama para nenu ye para o. Magra Jesus yo, akwaya bo menu kaku. He gives me hope, despite my sins. Delivered me, give me comfort to carry my matter for head. Tell me why I no go praise you. The things you've done for me, I know fit shout to you. I know fit talk to you. You dey force my praise. Una who go love for my mind. Oh yeah, Kambuna chuku nature me. Sumo boy, come big man. The Lord has been so good to me. Say, me I know like wahala. Chop life, catch cruise, whatever. My nature, moku, yadaba. On my main lead is Sakaba. See, me I know like wahala. Holidays, I want reach Panama. If you dey hate, waka go, wagada. On my main lead is Sakaba. Say, Sakaba. Say, woke up with Sakaba. Oh yeah, say, Sakaba. When I man no move Sakaba, okay Sakaba. Life, catch cruise, whatever. My nature, moku, yadaba. On my main lead is Sakaba. See, me, I don't like wahala. Holidays, I want reach Panama. If you dey hate, waka go, wakada.